Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write notice on Children's Day celebration in your school. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First, start with the name of your school in bold letters along with its address. Here, for example, I am writing the Asian School, Dehradun. In the next line, write NOTICE, that is notice, in bold letters. In the next line, towards left hand side, write the date on which this particular notice is being published. In the next line, towards the center, write the heading of your notice. Here, for example, I am writing Children's Day celebration. Next, we will go ahead with the details of our notice. Here, for example, I am writing this is to inform that the school is going to celebrate Children's Day on 14th November 2023 from 7 am to 11 am at the school auditorium. We will be organizing various activities and competitions. We are going to conduct quiz competition, singing competition, dance competition, and slogan writing competition as well. All the performances will be based on the theme Inclusion for Every Child. Interested students may submit their names to the class monitors. Please submit your names before 8th November. For further information, contact the undersigned. In the next line, write the name and designation of the person who is writing this particular notice. Here, for example, I am writing Shakshi, head girl.